You know, when you are in your Linux box and you're looking for help using the manual page, and then you do man-k something and nothing returns, or even if you run that apropos command and nothing returns as well, and you have no idea what's going on, how to fix that, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix and understand a little bit what's going on. So let's go to the video. Okay, we have a terminal here, and this is a RHEL 9. But this concept is valid for any kind of Red Hat Enterprise Linux or Linux box in general that you may have. Let's suppose this, man-k yum. I'm looking for some specific manual page that will have yum in the text or description or the name. And then we can see like DNF utus, this is a classic yum utility, find repos of install. You can see that I don't have yum here, but I have yum over here. So same yum aliases, and then redirect to DNF command references. So this is good. But Wally, sometimes I run this command, man-k yum, and nothing came back. So why is that? All right, first let's understand how this works. mandb. We are just going to looking for at the manual page of this mandb command. Let me resize, and then we can see, okay, this is going to create or update the manual page index. This is the point. There is one index file, and this index file is the one that's going to help you to find information. If this index is corrupt or missing, there you go. Your response will be empty. Okay, and how can I see that? So as always, I recommend you to take a look on this documentation. But let me scroll straight to the files. And then we have this mandb or /etc/man_db.conf. This is the configuration file. You can definitely take a look. And we can see over here, var cache man index.bt, db, dir, or pag, based on the type of the index. Some older location, you can see USAR man index. Again, this is old. It is here for reference, but this is the one. So, okay, let's do a double check. Var cache man. If we take a look here, look at that. We have a lot of directories, and I can see this index.db. So, okay, let me access that folder. And you can see the terminal over there. I can bump a little bit. If I do a file on this index database, we can see this GNU DBM 1.0. That's okay. Let's try something like this. I executed before man-k. Let me show one thing before, because we are using man-k. And what is man-k? Now this is weird. Man. But yeah, we are going to take a look on the manual page of the man command, and I would like to see the -k. And check this out. -k or --apropos, equivalent to apropos. Search the short manual page description for keywords and display any matches. So basically, I can do things like this, man-k yum, or I can run apropos yum. Let me know down below in the comments if you were already aware of apropos command. This is very useful, but again, you can do the same with the man-k. Is this the same output? I think so. This has 18 entries. This also has 18 entries. So yeah, I'm confident they are the same. They are looking for the same database. Cool. With that said, let's do this. I'm confident that my database or my index, it is working fine. I'm here on this path. We have that file, and no, yes. I just deleted that index file. So let's see what will happen. I will not clean up the screen yet. And now we can see man-k yum returns nothing. And this is weird because we saw here on the top, this was working fine a few seconds ago. And now this is the response. And eventually, this is the response that you are having in your machine. So now you know the reason that file is missing. And okay, how can I recreate this index? Let's come back to this mandb, create or update the manual page index caches. If you have already the index and you like to update for any reason, you can run a mandb. If you don't have this index for any other reason, something removed like me over here, then okay, this one is gonna create this file for you. You don't need to pass any parameter or path because this is smart enough and we'll know where to save the file. So let's give it a try. mandb, you can see this is gonna check the information, process, and at the end, we'll say, hey, I got 22 man subdirectories, 2416 manual pages were added, and were added where? To this index.db. Cool one. Now, if we run man-k yum, it's gonna work. If I run my apropos yum, it's gonna work. Wally, are you sure that apropos is looking for that file? Yeah, I forgot to check, but once you're here, let's give it a try. Remove it again, apropos yum, nothing. Man-k yum, nothing. So I'm gonna run here at the bottom, mandb. The index is gonna be recreated. We can do a double check. Index is over there. Let's start by apropos. We can see the output. Man-k, we can see the output. And that's it. Simple, easy, straight to the point. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, allow notification. Also, feel free to join us in our Discord channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.